Welcome to another Handyman Leatherman video. Today we are taking our Husqvarna Auto mower, which we call Sharny, out of hibernation from last year. Let's get her cleaned up, put her back on the yard. This yard is starting to grow, so here we go. All right, Sharny is charged. Let's take her in and give her a proper cleaning. There's a handle right under here. You just lift it up, pull it out from the dock. Look how dirty she is. I haven't inspected this since we got it. We're gonna give it a proper look over. Clean her all up. Put her away. Protect her for the winter. Control box up here. We're gonna unplug it, which kills power to the charging dock. So now it's ready for next year. All right, fast forward to 2021 March the 13th today. The yard is getting high again. It's time to pull Sharny out of hibernation, get her cleaned up, check her out, get her back on the charging dock, make sure all my crap is out of the yard, and I'm gonna have to figure out a way to keep her away from the travel trailer I moved into the backyard, because I don't want her getting stuck underneath it. I may have to put a guide wire across there until I get the camper out of there. But let's pull her out and get her dusted off and see how she looks. I wonder where she is. Oh, there she is, tucked up underneath the bench where she stayed nice and warm all winter long. I don't know how those batteries fare in the cold weather, but let's pull her out and dust her off. Look at that. She's covered in sawdust. When I sanded that table, she still got green grass all over her. We're going to dust her off and get her all cleaned up so we get her on charge. It's really dirty under here, but it's going to get dirty again because this thing likes to mow in the rain. It doesn't slow it down, but it's why it gets dirty. The blades look good. I inspected them, and I've got an extra set of blades for it, but we only got maybe 2 months of use out of this last year because we got it so late in the season. So I'm going to go ahead and just leave these blades on for now, and if they look like they're not doing as good, we could always put a new set of blades on later. So let's go outside and get it plugged into the dock. Okay, there's the control box. I unplugged it last year. Let's see, plug it back in. Connections are good. Let's go make sure nothing happened this winter. Little green light that tells you everything's good. Let's go get Sharny out and put her on the dock. All right, it shows that she is charging. She's going to start up at 4:28 p.m. See, it's 2:49 now, so we'll sneak out here and see if we can't catch her as she takes off on her 2021 inaugural run. Neighbor dogs don't know what to do about it. So it's remapping the yard, I guess, because it's been dead all winter long. So yesterday about 4:30 is when she started. She spent about 30 minutes remapping the yard out. Then she started mowing. And now it's raining. It is almost 2 o'clock the next day. And look how much the yard looks different. It looks really, really good. She's doing a really good job. Well, thank you guys for watching that video with us today. She is such a beautiful mower. She makes life so much easier, especially when you're working all the time. The wife used to love mowing, but now because she helps me work all the time, she just doesn't have the time. This mower was such a nice addition to our family. So if you haven't had a chance to try one out, they're really nice and handy. They can do, bigger models can do up to several acres. So they do really save a lot of time, and they're so effortless, low maintenance, and they just always keep your yard perfectly groomed. I mean, you could make it almost look like a golf course because it's always perfectly leveled. Thanks for watching, and until we see you guys again, you guys stay out of trouble, stay safe, and have fun doing your projects. And most importantly, stay out of trouble.